Hey tech fans! Microsoft just dropped a jaw-dropping update for the Notepad app that's turning heads. Is this the end of plain old text? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech scoops. Let's dive into what's new with Notepad and why it's stealing the spotlight. On Saturday, May 31st, 2025, Microsoft announced a massive upgrade to the Notepad app for Windows 11 testers in the Canary and Dev channels. We're talking bold, italic, hyperlinks, and even markdown support. Is Notepad about to become your new go-to writing tool? Stick around to find out. So what's the big deal? Notepad now has a shiny new formatting tool at the top, right next to the File, Edit, and View menus. You can now bold, italicize, add hyperlinks, create lists, and even style headings. Want to keep it simple? You can still clear all formatting with one click from the toolbar or edit menu. This is Notepad like you've never seen it before. Here's where it gets wild. Notepad now supports Markdown, perfect for coders and writers who love lightweight markup. Microsoft's Dave Grachocki says you can switch between formatted Markdown and raw syntax views using the View menu or a toggle button at the bottom. Plus, there's a new Write feature that lets you draft text from a prompt. Sounds like Notepad's borrowing some tricks from Microsoft Word. This update's huge, especially since Microsoft axed WordPad. Notepad stepping up is more than just a plain text editor. It's becoming a legit writing tool. Whether you're jotting notes, coding in Markdown, or drafting quick ideas, Notepad's new features make it a serious contender. Could this replace your other text editors? Let's hear your take. For now, these features are exclusive to Windows 11 Canary and Dev channel testers, but they will likely roll out to everyone soon. With Notepad getting this fancy, what's next? Full-on word-level editing? Microsoft's keeping us on our toes. Are you excited to try these new tools? Or is classic Notepad still your vibe? That's the lowdown on Microsoft's Notepad glow-up. Are you hyped for Markdown support? Or is the new Write feature stealing the show? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this update, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.